Hello, everyone. My name is Abraham Ogur, and today we are going to talk about Mastercard Foundation Scholarship. And we are talking about Mastercard Foundation Scholarship. We will focus a lot on Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program. We know Mastercard offer a lot of opportunities to scholars, to people who are doing a lot of impact in the communities. But today we are going to focus on the scholarship under Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program. So let's dive in. If you are using, go to your browser, if you are using laptop or your mobile phone, then please just go and go to Chrome and then type Mastercard Foundation. If you come to the website of Mastercard Foundation, you will see what we do. If you click here, it will bring you here our strategy, program, area of focus, and impact stories. So let's go to the program. This way we are going to get what we want because we are focusing on scholarship. Yes, so you can see here, Mastercard is working very hard to making sure that by 2030, at least 100,000 of young African and beyond have access to global opportunities, especially university and high school education. So how do you apply to Mastercard? Mastercard has a partnership with different universities. So each university has their own policies on how to apply for Mastercard Foundation. But now let's see what are these universities. So let's explore and see the universities that have partnership with Mastercard Foundation. So if you come here, you will have access to all the universities. And here are the universities that has partnership with Mastercard Foundation. You can see Africa Institute of Mathematical Sciences. It is in Cape Town, Southern Africa. It offers postgraduate. So if you are looking forward to study to go for your master's, please consider this university. If you are in a related mathematical courses, so you can just go there and do your master's. We have Africa Leadership University in Kigali, Rwanda, which is ALU, is in Kigali. If you want to study your undergraduate, you can go to that university. We have American University, and we have Arizona State University. We have a Chess University in Ghana. Is one of the past universities in Africa to have partnership with Mastercard Foundation. If you want to study there, come to Accra, Ghana, and access a global liberal art education. We have Cambridge University. We have all these universities, Arts University, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Makerere, McGill University. These are universities that has partnership with Mastercard Foundation. There are some of the universities that are not included here, including the University of Rwanda, University of Cape Town, University of Western Cape, and some other universities that just got a partnership with Mastercard recently. So some of them are not included here in the website, but you can just join us, go to African Foundation Scholars Network Community. We share a lot of opportunities there, or just follow me. And if you want to apply for a scholarship, we'll share the scholarship once they're available. Now, how do you apply to this scholarship program? If you made your decision that you want to study at Africa Leadership University in Rwanda, then what you have to do first understand how does the application process go? How does everything go, right? You have to know what are the requirements needed when you're applying to Africa Leadership University. A lot of people are not fully aware about that, but when you want to apply to Africa Leadership University, you should be from a disadvantaged community, or otherwise you are coming from a refugee community, or you are IDP, a person with disability, then you consider applying to Africa Leadership University. Show a proof that you are IDP, or show a proof that you are a person with disability, and then give it a shot. You may get it. A lot of universities are here, including Achilles University in Ghana. You can give it a try. It's a liberal art education university that is giving a liberal education to young African and people across different parts of the world to come and access global opportunities. So there is Arts University in Costa Rica. It offers agriculture sciences, which are the related agriculture courses. I think it's agriculture science. If you want to study agriculture place, you can look forward and then apply to Arts University. The application form for Arts University is open. You can see the application is open. For this one is closed. And then for this one is open. For Chess is closed. For Arizona State is open. This one is closed. ALU is open. You can see. If you just come to the website, you will be fully aware about what is going on about Mastercard Foundation Scholarship. Now, we are going to discuss about the document required for you to apply for Mastercard Foundation. What document do you need when you are preparing your application for Mastercard Foundation? You need to prepare your document in advance. And these documents are something that all of you are fully aware. You should have them. One of them is you must have a transcript. That is a summary of your result from senior 1 to senior 4, or from grade 9 to grade 12. And then you should have your final certificate, which is maybe final examination result. If you are in West Africa, it should be WASE. If you are in South Sudan, South Sudan final examination. If you are in Uganda, you have a different part. You know, if you're in Kenya, you should have a equivalent of it. In Rwanda and different part of Africa, you should have them ready. And again, if you are coming from a disadvantaged community or you are coming from a refugee community, you should have a attestation card or another document that you think can support your application. One of the important thing about Mastercard, they are looking for people who are going to give back to their communities, and that means you should have at least some of the recommendation for community service. You should have a recommendation from your teacher. You should have a recommendation from community leader. You should have a recommendation from a charity organization. This group of community, you know, organization, you should at least a recommendation, or you have to interact with them. If you have been teaching, you are teaching in primary school, in high school, you have to take your recommendation letter, and then you have to apply. Some of the things that you need are things like passport, because if you are an international student, you want to travel to Ghana, you want to travel to Rwanda, and you are in South Sudan or another part of Africa, you should have a passport because you need that one for your travel. It is very important and it is required for you to have. So these are some of the few requirements that are needed for Mastercard Foundation. So if you are looking forward to change your narrative and join the Mastercard Foundation community, then you're highly welcome. So I will take you a little about some of the program or opportunity that you get from Mastercard Foundation. Mastercard offer the full funded scholarship. If you are applying to Mastercard, you should be fully aware that if they admit you, they will cover everything, including your transports from your home country to where you are going to study, like, returning home tickets, uh, paying your application, your tuition fee, support you with medical insurance, and all this staff accommodation and other staff giving you laptops and all this. So you should make sure that if you are admitted through Mastercard Foundation, you will be able to have access to these opportunities. And again, Mastercard go ahead and support student initiatives. And that's mean if you are a Mastercard scholar and you are very passionate about giving back to your society, they will support you. If you come with the idea, there are a lot of Mastercard Foundation seed funding that are outside there. You can just apply for them. And if you are fortunate to be selected, then you can go and run your initiative in your community. So the part that is going to come again is going to be part 2 of this. And this is where we are going to talk about exactly each university for Mastercard Foundation. We will treat every university based on the requirement, based on what they look at, based on how they treat, how they admit students, uh, based on a lot of stuff, right? So we are going to do that. And for this part is more about Mastercard. What you have to know, the document you have to prepare for Mastercard Foundation. So if you want to know more about the scholarship, ongoing scholarship, please follow me. Please share this one with others so that they can learn from this. So thank you so much. And I'm going to make sure I release another video about a specific university, or you can add it in the comment section. Which university are you people struggling? And I will be able to help you. Thank you so much. See you.